I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Cosco Scenera car seat. So, this is a really great car seat that a lot of people use as a travel car seat, or they use in a second vehicle or for a babysitter or a grandparent. Some things I really love about it, it's just a very basic, solid car seat, and it's very light. So, if you're traveling, and you have a main car seat, sometimes they can weigh, especially if it's a convertible car seat, it could weigh 50 pounds or more. So you don't want to have to be carrying that through an airport, taking it in, rental cars and that kind of thing. And this weighs just about a little bit over 10 pounds. So you can easily pick it up with one hand. It's super easy to carry around, super easy for even someone who's older, like a grandparent, to take in and out of their car. But it's still, the same certified kind of car seat that you would get in the United States. It's really well built, I think, and reasonably comfortable. It doesn't have as much padding and other kinds of cushioning as some sort of more permanent car seats, but it does work really well, I think, as a travel car seat, probably the best travel car seat out there. It does work on airplanes as well, so if you want to take this on a plane, it's a great solution too, because again, it's pretty compact. So it can go into an airplane seat, and I've traveled with this on planes a couple of times, and it does work a lot better, I think, than some of the big sort of full-size car seats that can be hard to fit onto a plane seat. You can adjust the straps for the height of your kid. You can adjust the strap down here to 3 different positions, so it's really easy to make it adjustable to however big they are, and you can tighten and loosen the straps as well using this pull down at the bottom. So it's fully adjustable. It does have the side impact protection, which is great, with these sort of sides that come out and cushion your child's head if you ever were to be in any kind of an accident. So I think it's a well-built product and has some of those features that you would want to see on a car seat. But again, it's just super light and easy to move around. Another thing I like about it is the fact that you can either use it for a forward-facing or a rear-facing seat, and it works up to 40 pounds. So it'll work with a fairly large kid. You can start, I think, at 5 pounds with this and go all the way up to 40. And you can use the latch system. It's on the back here, or you can actually just use a lap belt to connect it. And again, it'll do forward or rear facing. So depending on how old your kid is, you can easily move it around in your car. Again, also great for a second car, something where you're not taking your kid in that as much. Just a nice, relatively simple car seat to set up in there, but also, again, complies with all of the relevant safety regulations, and it's just easy to move in and out of the car.